why not just hire a management company to run the facilities, buy the property, and then just collect the check? Yeah, because then you have to pay the management company. And honestly, the truth is like, there's not a lot of like really good management companies that will manage smaller facilities. Now, the bigger ones, like the 40, 50, 60,000 square feet facilities, like all these cube smarts and public storages and extra space storage and stuff, that's a third party management company. All right. So when you get these bigger facilities, then you can afford that. But the truth is like, I hear a lot of stuff from like owners. Like we have a coach, his name's Scott Crone, and he's come and talked to the group many times, but he hired a third-party management company. He actually hired a third-party management company to manage his conversion. He bought a facility. He bought a warehouse in downtown, like Louisville, Kentucky. He converted it into a storage facility by just dropping portables in it. And then he hired a third-party management company, CubeSmart, to come in and manage it. And he said that after like 6 months or so, he had to fire them because it was just getting to be too expensive, number one. And number two, like, they just weren't properly managing the thing, So, that's another thing. When you get too big, it's just hard to to manage stuff. So we are vertically integrated, but our property management company is actually we actually hire our property management company to manage our facilities and out. So it's a company outside of Miss Lillian's. And then on top of that company that we use, our property management company, will also be managing the fund. And then hopefully eventually we'll be able to offer property management services to our students as well too. That's a goal. So we are now first offering our acquisitions team. That's the first step. And the goal is eventually to offer our property management company to our students as well too. And then we'll just have like a turnkey solution for our students. Okay.